In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a chat flow for your multi-language pages so that each visitor sees the right chat experience based on their language. If you're running a multilingual website, this is essential for improving user experience, increasing engagement, and making sure your visitors feel understood from the very first message. I'll walk you through everything step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have separate chat flows set up and properly targeted to each language version of your site. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create one chat flow per language. So go to your dashboard and navigate to Service, then click on Chatflows. This is where all your chat experiences are managed. Once you're on the Chatflows page, click on Create Chat Flow. You'll now be asked to choose the type of chat flow you want to build. You can select Live Chat if you want real human agents to respond to conversations, or you can choose Bot if you want to automate the interaction using predefined prompts and logic. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. Next, you'll need to select your primary language. This is very important because this chat flow will be dedicated to one specific language. For example, if you're starting with English, select English as your primary language. After that, you can begin customizing the chat experience. Start by editing the greeting message so it matches the selected language. Then adjust the bot prompts, making sure all automated messages are written correctly in that language. Don't forget to update the button text as well, including things like call to action buttons or quick reply options. Every piece of visible text should match the language you're creating the chat flow for. Once everything is customized, save the chat flow with a clear name. For example, you can name it Chatflow-English. Using a consistent naming structure will make it much easier to manage multiple chat flows later on. Now that your first chat flow is ready, the next step is to duplicate it for your other languages. Open the English chat flow you just created. Look for the Actions menu and click on Clone. This will create an exact copy of your existing chat flow, which saves you a lot of setup time. Rename the cloned version to match the new language, for example, Chatflow-Spanish. Then go through each section and translate all the text into Spanish. That includes the greeting, bot prompts, button labels, and any automated responses. Once you've translated everything, save your changes. You can repeat this same process for any additional languages you need, such as French, German, or others. After creating separate chat flows for each language, the next step is to assign them to the correct pages on your website. This is where targeting comes in. Open one of your chat flows and go to the Targeting section. Under Website URL Rules, you can define where this specific chat flow should appear. For example, if your Spanish pages include /es in the URL, set the rule to Website URL contains /es/. That ensures only visitors on Spanish pages will see the Spanish chat flow. For French pages, you might use contains /fr/. For German, contains /de/. Configure the rule based on your site's URL structure. Once the targeting rule is set, click Save. Repeat this targeting setup for each language-specific chat flow, making sure each one is assigned only to its corresponding language URLs. This step is crucial because it prevents overlap and ensures visitors always see the correct language version. Finally, once everything is configured and saved, the last step is to publish each chat flow. Make sure each one is turned on and live. After publishing, test your website by visiting the different language URLs and confirming that the correct chat flow appears on each page. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured chat flows for your multi-language pages, duplicated them efficiently, assigned them using smart URL targeting, and published them properly. This setup ensures a smooth, localized experience for every visitor. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.